to Robin for 2 points for Robin. It's good. Drilling for 3, Robin. And the ball is still in favor of Team Navy boys. Shot clock is reset at 14 seconds. Time remaining 9 minutes and 33 seconds. Down for 3. No good. Ball by the back. Pass to Robin. Walking. Walking pass to Kobe. There you go.
Taufik, score!
15 seconds. For the win. This company is good. Brilliant group ball. Looking for steaming. Going ISO. 15 seconds shot clock now remaining. Pass to Judy. 3 for 2. No good. Ball by the back. 17 seconds shot clock. There you go. Pass to Reese. Reese going inside for an easy 2. No good. Ball by the back. Oh, it's still there. Robin. Robin pass to Taylor for 2. It's good. 2 points for Taylor. Score 7 against 0 in favor of Williams. 15 seconds shot clock. Philip pass to Junior. Pass back to Philip. 10 seconds. And there's a foul. Foul by the referee. Who's fouled it? Number 3, Reese. First personal foul, first team foul. 3 shots coming up for Robin. First shot, no good.
Ito, sila Delio. Akong isa lang. 7-0.
Second throw, no good.
Sabay nito.
Last shot for Don is good. 1 point for Don. Score 7 against 1 in favor of Team Soccer. High pass to Reese. Reese pass to Pogi. Pogi to goal. Going inside and there's a foul. Who's fouled it? Lahara. First personal foul, first team foul.
Shout out.
10 to shoot. Ball stolen by 9. Robin goes to the other side for an easy lead. Here's your 2 points for Robin. Time remaining 7 minutes and 22 seconds. Then pass to Robin and lost the ball. The ball's in favor of Team Navy boys. The ball is in the hands of Philip. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. And the ball is out of bounds. Please for him, pass to Delio. Pass to Abad. Pass to Dark. Hard going ISO, pass to Pogi. Robin. Ball is not stolen. Pass back to Robin. Pass to Hard. Hard for that runner. Jumper. It's not good. But by Don. Don, no pass to Robert. Robert for the in. Robert. Pass to Robin. Robin pass to Robert. Hard for the in. Pass to 2 points for Robert. Score 9-3 in favor of Team Soccer. Time remaining 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Philip, we try 3. No good. Rebound by Art.
Arda magtaikan nyo.
Robin with the ball. Pass to Reese. 40 seconds to shoot. Art missed the one, but there's a call by the referee. Who's fouled it? Daniel Del Mundo. First personal foul, second team foul. Score 9 against 3 in favor of Team Soccer.
20 lang daw
Reese
yan.
will try a 3. No good. Rebound by Robin. Robin inside. 2 points for Robin. Pass to hard footer, perimeter, no good. Divided by Bob. One pass to Robert. Robert, pass to it, please go, no pass to Robert. Time, 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Score, 11 against 8. What's the call? Referee stop. Number 7. First personal foul. Second team foul. Time out, right? Team AK. Score 11 against 8 in favor of Team Soccer.
Topic! Score!
11-8.
Ilan lamang? Score! Score!
Ingay mo niyo? Time remaining 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Ball in favor of Team UK. Leveling.
Go EK! Go EK!
15 seconds to shoot. Robert going inside for Robert. Back pass to Robert. Robert pass to Delio. Delio will try and three. No good. Rebound by Robert. Robert going inside pass to Delio. Delio moving for 2. Wills good. 2 points for Delio. Score 11 against 10 in favor of Team Soccer. Nice pass, no good. Rebound by Robert. Ten seconds to shoot. Robert rebound. No good. Rebound by Robert. High pass to Robert. Robert goes to the other side. Robert pass to Robert. He's good. 2 points for Robert. He's good. Score 13 against 10 in favor of Team Soccer. Philip going inside pass to Judy. Judy will try and three. No good. Rebound by Pat. And going to the other side. Who's fouled it? Number 10. What? Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Hindi kasi 5 points na lang yung naman, third quarter. Ayun, second.
First shot for Dana is good.
Kasi third quarter namin yung buta eh. Yung isipin mo talaga tumakin naman.
Second shot.
Go, Darren!
Score 13 against 12. Soccer. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Pass to Reese. Reese will try a three. No good. Rebound by Judy. Judy pass to Robert. Robert gets inside. Inside block. Reese pass to Robert. Robert inside there. It's good. 2 points for Robert. It's good. 15-12. Favor of Team Soccer. 1 minute and 55 seconds to remaining.
Score!
Don will try a three. No good. Rebound by Robin. Robin going inside. Pass to Billy. Camping. Violation. Time out. Team Soccer. Ref, time out. Time 1 minute and 29 seconds. Shot clock 40. Reset. Score 15 against 12 in favor of Team Soccer.
Wala pa.
1 minute and 28 seconds. Delio pass to Robin. Robin pass to Art goes inside for the net, and there's a foul. Foul, Jimmy. Number 18. Number 8. First personal foul, third team foul. 2 free throws coming up for Art Cruz. First throw, Araico. 1 minute. 50 seconds. Second shot, Art is good. 50 seconds, time remaining. Score 69-12 in favor of Team Soccer. Really pass to Dominic. Dominic will try to the game. For Dominic. Score 69-15 in favor of Team Soccer. Still 30 seconds, time remaining. Score by Jimmy for Robin. Robin pass to Luis for 3. No good. But they can for 2. And there's a foul. 14 seconds. 9 seconds time remaining. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. End of the first quarter. Score 69-17 in favor of Team Atlantic. Change favor.
Taubig! Score! Boss, walang monitor, boss!
Wala nga, kaya nga na-late eh. Walang ano eh.
Loading laptop.
Cable. Inantay na ng inantay.
Bili ka lang! Saan doon? Anda?
Wala nga eh. Ano oras pa?
Ito, order sa pa na.
Hindi na. May pagkano.
Walang. Customer ako para sa'yo. Sabihin mo, picture ka lang. Book, lumitas. 3 na lang.
Nag-practice ba?
Wala mo nang practice na... Sino nag-practice? Di na to.
Paano mo pa-practice? Hindi ka natutulog yan.
Style mo rin. Si Jay, nagpapakaman ni si Jay. Papakaman ni si Jay. Wala po yung mamaya ako. Tapos ko naman sira na yung saan yung brand? Sa Vienna. Kala ko dito.
Limited lang pa siya eh.
Kung kami sana ko walang pulso tumama.
Kahit naman meron, kahit naman hindi. Wala pa rin mo.
Matamlay ka sa tingnan.
Point ko lang. May isa kanina tambak eh.
Ayun lang. Okay yan. Pakurin na natin.
2.3.
Yan na, yan na!
Wala na, bro. Ha? Wala nang nervous.
Dahan lang,
Kasi
ah.
parang parang team matulong ang import eh. Mas magaling sa akin. Ikaw yan.
Machas, pass to Castillo. Castillo for three. No good. Foul. Number 25, Tino. Foul. Pass to Snow. Back to De La Cruz. 14 shoot. 10 to shoot. To De La Cruz, space for three. Pass to Snow. Rebound by Tino. Castillo nagkala ng bola. Pass to June. Takes the pass. Castillo. Pass ball. Number 0, De La Cruz dribbling the ball. 14 to shoot. Back to De La Cruz for three. No good. Rebound by Dina. Pass to Machas. Machas dribbling the ball down by number 12. To Castillo, number 29. Rebound. Fourteen shoot, De La Cruz at tayo ng bola. Nice one. No good. Castillo. Castillo. Spins, no spins. Spins, no good. Top line. Rebound by Snow, number 5. Pass to De La Cruz, number 0. Back. 14 to shoot. To Snow. 10 to shoot. To JP number 12. Tira ng press. Bang! De La Cruz. 3 ball. Cruz na De La Cruz. Castillo halas pa number 12. Cruz. Pass to Machas. Machas winning the ball. 10 to shoot. Pass to June. Blocked by number 8. Rebound by number 0. De La Cruz. Got by number 18 June. Pass to Erickson, back to Snow. Snow for easy layup, no good. Rebound by number 8, pass to Snow. Snow takes. Back by Machas number 8. Tino, Snow with the ball. Machas with the ball. Got by number 24 De Leon. Pass to June. Pass to Castillo, number 29 for 3. Castillo, 3 points. Officials score 23-19 in favor of EK Boys. Cruz to De La Cruz for 3 by Paulino De La Cruz. 3 ball. Last shot by De La Cruz.
Laban na.
14 to shoot. To Tino. Tino. Number 8. First personal foul. Second team foul. Team Soto. Unang pagbubusto ni Tino. Basket. 1 point for Tino. Second attack. Complete 2 points by Tino. Number 12, Cruz na tagal ng bola. Pass to De Leon for 3. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Reset tayo sa 14. Welcome to CPL semifinals between Team Sotun and EK Boys. Forward pass by Team EK Boys. Bruce. Giving the ball. Pass to Leon. For Team to shoot. Back to Bruce. 10 seconds. Shot clock. Bruce makes the run for three. No good. Ibang by stop. Follow up. Short. Ibang by Machas. Machas. Nagkakaroon ng bola. 14 to shoot. Castillo. 10 to shoot. Pass to Valeriano. Back to Castillo. Stop the line. Leon. Pass back to Cruz. Cruz. Pass to Cruz. Foul. Valeriano, number 13. First personal foul. First team foul.
Diretso mo na, JP.
5-point lead by EK Boys. De la Cruz number 0. Basket. It's a 4-point lead by EK Boys. Tight battle between Team Solid and EK Boys. To June. In the middle. Basket! Grabe naman. Bilis. Pero yung dalawa pa rin ganun si June. Bruce number 12, 14 shot clock. Number 8, foul number 25, Tino. Tino. First personal foul. Second team foul, EK Boys. First attempt by number 8, Ignacio. Tuloy lang, tuloy lang. Last attempt by number 8, Ignacio. No good. Rebound by Erickson. Jason. No good. Number 8 rebound. Attempts for rebound. Machas scoring by number 0. De la Cruz. Then to shoot. Stop by Castillo. Castillo. Jason. Foul. Foul number 0, De la Cruz. First personal foul. Third team foul. Team Solid. Time remaining 1 minute. Official score 29-23. 6 points lead by EK Boys. First attempt by Castillo. No good. Jump back nyo ng audience natin ha. Welcome po sa CPL. Shoutout sa mga nagsisiksikan dyan. Welcome, welcome. Second attempt, no good. 35 seconds. Still. Prepare the pass. No good. Back by number to Machas. Machas takes. Now. Who's going left across the line? Number 5, Jason. Wala na pong oras sa ating second quarter. Official score natin after second quarter. 30-23. Sorry, 31. 8 points difference by EK Boys. Maganda ang connection ng TP Boys.
Robert, sakto na.
Welcome back kay Liboa. Talagang pinagandaan ng semifinals ng Liwan Kingsa.
Dom! Yes, yan na, dyan ka na. Third question mo sa gitna. Pagkabigyan mo sa question mo.
Team Black, Team Solid.
Dom!
Black ball tayo, black ball. Welcome to the third quarter. Team Solid versus TP Boys. Omana nagdala ng bola. Omana takes a pass to number 3, Reese. Pass to number 33 for Boys Logan. Caught by Quino. Stolen by Lando for easy pass there. Okay, parang taga-kaya si Diego. Pass by Lando. Pinawi agad ni Mr. Lahara. Hindi papaya, so it's 14 to shoot. There to shoot. Pass to Reese, nawala ang bola. Starting down, Pilipo. Pass there to Lahara. For easy two points. Easy boys to the shot. Score natin 35-25. 10 points lead by Team Boys. Medyo lumalayo na po ang laban. Omana, foul, Lahara. Patay ang damot. Hanggang dito, dito na din. Substitution. Hindi na bola. Reese for 3. Reese, 3 points. Rep, meron tayo sa posisyon kung bakit nga pwede. Pilipo, pinag mo, haras pa number 1, Lego. 14 to shoot. Pilipo, nag-iisip ko ng gagawin. Pass to the number 2, pass back to number 1. Lays up. Easy 2 points para kay number 1. Lego sa Honda. Dagdag haras pa number 14. Ito na ang full court press ng Team Solid. Almost done, back to Pilipo pass to Tino number 25, pass to the Mundo, back by number 70, Levan. Pick up by the Mundo, Lahara for 3, and now, rebound by Pilipo ball out to Mundo, pass to post, rebound by number 40, number 40, almost done with the ball, number 40, passing to the Goose, 18, shot clock, pass to Abad, drives, lays up, number 1 by number 20, wala pa rin, then Mundo pass to the number 13, crossover, pass to Pilipo for easy rebound. 4, 3, tama tayo na pag-pwede. Basket na lang tayo. There's the shoot. Omana. Pass to nobody. Out of bounds. Time. Team Solid. Official score natin 38-30. Resume the ball game. Time remaining 5 minutes and 52 seconds. Almost 6 minutes time remaining sa third quarter. Laban pa rin po ang Eagles ng 8 points. Forward press by Team Lahat ng magpapalili. Lahat drives. Pass to Raimundo for easy basket. Raimundo, 2 points. 12 points lead. Sahona! No good. Raimundo, pass to lahat. Lahat na dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 12, pass to Pilico. Dribbling is in Perez. No good. Rebound by Dino. Follow. Short. Rebound by Dino. Starting by Pedro. Same ball tayo. Kick ball. Substitution left. Substitution left. Kimi Boys. Machas to Del Mundo. Cruz. 14 to shoot. Castillo, now is a pass! Bang! Castillo, 3 points. Machas, pass to Pino, pass to Machas. Felix, lays up. Masyado na Castillo. Foul muna tayo. Substitution rep. Sino out? Robin? Foul si Pino. Number 25 foul. Dino out. June in. Almost done by Lahara. Dilihan to Sahona. Dito sa test. Felix. Sahona. Dino back to the Cruz number 0-3. Number pushing foul by number 9. Kita nila yan. Sabi na rin. 14 to shoot. Reset tayo. Sahona inbounding the ball. Stolen the balls. Reset left to 14. Tutelo, fakes. Ganito na wala ang bola. Sarap na lahat si Machas. Machas, step back. Number 12. Out of bounds. Same ball tayo. Kimi Boys. Substitution ref. Lahat. To Machas. Pilipo natin sa best. Fakes for 3. Back to Machas for 3. No good. Rebound by Snow. Ikilay. Solid ball. Top by Lahara. Cruz. To De La Cruz. Asan pa yung isang Cruz? Puro na tayo Cruz. Cruz for 3. No good. Rebound by that. Number 7 fakes. No good. Pass. Yes, basket. Foul number 24 or June? Rep. Si June. Number, ano number? Warning for penalty rep. Number 18, June. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty ang Kimi Boys. Time remaining at 1 minute and 14. 45, 32. Visual score, 13 points. Out of bounds. Kimi Boys. One minute. Maras by number 12. Number 12 plays off. 2 points for number 12. A steal in the basket. Pilico harassing it by number 12. Almost done again. They stop. Foul tayo. Sino foul na? 12. De La Cruz na Cruz. Number 12. Foul. First attempt by Philippe. No good. 15 seconds na lang ang nalalaki sa third quarter. Second team with Philippe. Basket. 5 seconds. Above. Pass to Cruz for 3. Pass na yan. No good. Visual score natin after third quarter. 46-34. 12 points difference by EK Boys.
Mission mo na ba yung mga basher mo?
Oo nga, ano eh.
Kalaban mo pa naman yung home court advantage.
Welcome to semifinals fourth quarter between Team Solid and EK Boys. Makakabawi na kaya ang Team Solid. Will Solid recover? Lahat. Pass to Tino, guarded by number 8, Ignacio. 14 to shoot. Foul! Oh yeah, number 8, Ignacio. Ignacio. Second personal foul. First team foul tayo. Tino again. Guarded by number 8, Felix. Wala, ibang bahay sila. To his back to Manya. Omana. Nice pass to La Cruz. Ay, kupus na La Cruz, number 32 to pass. Castillo back by number 24. Football press by Team Solid. 14 to shoot tayo. Omana. Lahara. Ripping the ball. Lahara over the zone. Lahara. Pass for 2. Basket tayo. 48-36. Favor of EK Boys pa rin. De Leon, almost down the ball, almost. Pass to Cruz, number 30, foul number 13. Lahara, Bulika. 13. Third personal foul. First team foul. Nag-iisipin, please, first piece. Kaya naman, pasok, iba na Omana. 9 seconds to shoot. Omana, basket tayo, 2 points. Telemundo. Tumadyas. Cruz, foul tayo na. Number 33, hacking foul. Substitution left. Down and out. Phil Goki. Sa'yo. There to shoot. Castillo drives. Basket. Number 29. Ganda naman. Points different. Hindi ma-recover ang Team Solid. Beast for 3. Wala pa rin. Castillo. Basket. Timeout. Team Solid. Nadagdagan na po ng 2 points. Time remaining. Loose number 12. Pass to number 13 to Snow number 5. By pass by Team Solu. Pinico. Dribbling the ball. Wala nang double nine. Back to number 29. Castillo. To the Hara. 14 to shoot. Nakawala si Lahara. Lays up. Back by number 8. Nakuha ng Tiga. Wala pa rin. Ibang bahan. Snow. Nakuha ni number 12. Number 12. Pass to Jay Snow. Jay Snow. Pass to number 8. Policy basket. Ignacio. 2 points. Going into the 5 minutes of the fourth quarter. Castillo to go. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Machas. 5 to shoot. Machas pinag sa bola. Mason. Well played by Machas. Grabe pinag sa next kalaban. Laro na. Ano sinasabing laro na? Lalaro pa. Veracruz number 0. Pasok ayaw. Wala pa rin. By Go. Rebound by Go. Nagpapala na si Go. Foul number 12. Good foul by number 12. Substitution lang. Pwede. Sub muna tayo. Sub. Our next game is Liwan Kings versus top number 1. 2 points by Namo. Slowly. Lahara 2 points. Wala na yan. Namo. Team Solid. Resume tayo. Resume the ball game tayo. Resume tayo. Wala nang timeout ng Solid. Ang ET Boys, only 1 timeout. ET Boys, meron na isang timeout. Going to the 4 minutes of the fourth quarter. Foul na tayo. Sino foul eh? Number 13? Number 13, fourth personal foul. Second team foul. Daniel for 3. Pumasok din. Daniel, 3 points. Segundo halas by number 1. 3 minutes and 41. Out of bounds. Team Salud. Substitution back. Samuel is up. Del Mundo out. Pinico in. Number 12 to Luz. To Snow. Back to number 12. Luz. Wala tap by number 77 to Luz to number 1. 3 for 3 balls. Bravo. Luz. Pass to Luz. Pass to number 1. Sa Honda. Tuabat. 3-point na tingnan. Santos. Abad pala. Abad. 3 points. Starting by Abad. Number 0. 5 minutes, 2:49. Pass to Abad. Abad. Number 77 for 3. No goal. Abad. Pinico. 2 minutes 37 to Machas. Back to Lahara. Sila, sabi ni Lahara. 14 to shoot. Lahara got by number 1 sa Honya. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot clock natin bumaba sa 8 seconds. 5. Tutuloy na muna. Foul tayo ng 12. Na-reset pa yung shot clock. Warning for penalty ref at Team Solid. 8 points lead lang yan. Machas. Easy to points lead Burnley. Three boys. Last 1 minute and 42 seconds. James Miller is set to push back the score for 3. Bang! Baba po sa 7 points. Tama! Three boys. Bumaba po sa 7 points. Wala na kayong tawag, both teams. Time remaining natin, 1:36. Warning for penalty team zone. Wala kayong false team. Meron na EK Boys, dalawa. D1 Kings, get ready. Team BCP. Kompleto na ba ang BCP? Mukhang kompleto. Talaga naganda sa semifinals. Lalo yung alam dito, no? Mukhang kumain ng matindi. Pag-foul, penalty tayo. Lahat ng ball. Lahat ng bola. Paras by number 12. 10 seconds to shoot. Lahat. Out of bounds. Back to EK Boys. Science naman yan. Science na technology. Just a 7-point lead. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Machas to number 29. Pass to the hand. Fourth to the shoot. This is Machas. Good ball. Machas. Number 12. 1 minute remaining. Sa fourth quarters, the hot number 3. No good. Nakuha number 25. This is basket. 52 seconds na lang. Ang nalalabit. 7 points lead na pa. 7 points lead. Foul number 12. Penalty na. Penalty tayo. Philip Bowman, 2 free throws. 7 points lead. Warning number 12. JP, warning or graduation. Philip Bowman, warning free throws. Isasablay ka na, ipapasok. Huling pagbuhuslo ni number 9, Cole. Kinakabahan lang ang nangaliwanan. Basket. Out of bounds. 46 seconds na lang. 8 points lead na yan. 3 possessions na po. Substitution lang. Who's going to last the line? Number 25. Number 9. Keep Philip go. Sahona. 1 point. 7 points lead down. 40 seconds na lalagay. Delo. Slow, rebound, foul. Butler, bingo. Lahana, libre, foul. Lahana, foul. Sa napakalimutan ng Prince. Mahalas na 28 seconds. 7 points to rest. Ang shooting ba? Dalawa lang daw, dalawa. Nasa loob ka, nasa loob. Tumatag na. Iba talaga yung magulang eh. Pag dalawa talaga anak, magulang na eh. 28 seconds. Grabe yung Last shot ni Lahara. Ipapasok na yan ni Lahara o inimiss na lang. Lahara. Short. Rebound by Erickson. Foul na naman. Foul. 26 seconds lang. Sino foul? Machas. Number 8. Warning pa lang ang EK Boys. Warning for penalty. 26 seconds. 7 points difference. Kaya pa to. Kapit sabi ng team Solid. Sahora with the ball. Sahora ng isang basket. Tama. EK Boys. 20 seconds. 5 points lead. 2 possessions na yan. Isang series. Tapos isang 2 points sa Solid. Goose. Ganda ng laban. EK Boys warning for penalty. Officials score on the 61-56. 15 seconds of the fourth quarter. Last battle between EK Boys and Team Solid. Inbounding the ball is Machas. May steal niya ang bola. Ano sa tingin mo pa? May steal ba? Steal ba yun? Steal. Lahara. Libre walang pantay. Lahara. Foul on one. 18 seconds. Number 12. Broadway. On the sideline. Omaning ni number 40 for Team Solid. Lahara. Awarded 2 free throws. President by Lahara. Hindi nakasyan po nung gabi ko. Yung mga shooting. Last throw by Lahara. Basket. 18 seconds. Stop by Lahara. Lahara. Ubus na ng oras. Foul number 5. So, 12 seconds. Sayang. Pero, Lahara. First attempt, basket. Last score by Lahara, 12 seconds, Santa Lalabi. Lahara, complete 2 balls. 12 seconds na lang po, Amaya. To reach for 3. Bang! Buhay pa, Team Solid. 5, pass to Lahara. Start pass. Foul. Foul tayo, 2 seconds. 3 seconds, 3 seconds. Ilan left? Tatlo? 2 lang, 2 points lang. 2 shots lang, sabi nila. Wala. Congratulations, EK Boys. Our best player